year co-presidents.
We will be commemorating 1 year since the beginning of the pandemic.
So I hope all of you take this time to truly reflect on what this year has meant for you. I know many of us have experienced loss, disappointment, and grief, and in those times it felt like nothing could go and was going right, which was an endless maze of dead ends. But within that year, I'm sure many of us have discovered things about ourselves, whether we wanted to in that moment or not. It's important to acknowledge the loss, but also look back on this year with gratitude for the growth each and every one of you has been able to accomplish, and to continue through the end of the year with a growth mindset to face whatever challenges come across our paths and support each other as a community.
While this has been a difficult year, I'm super grateful that we're able to come to school every day. I'd also like to thank all the healthcare officials who have worked incredibly hard throughout this pandemic.
Thank you.
Pull. Pull harder.